Hello and welcome to Login Helps. Today's tutorial will be about how to recover your VK account password. In case you've forgotten your password, to learn to do so, watch the video till the end. Forgetting password can be really stressful when you have no idea how to recover your forgotten password. After watching this video, it won't be a big problem anymore. To learn to do so, first go to your VK app and tap it open. In the bottom of the sign-in page, tap on Login. Now enter your email or phone number, and since we have forgotten the password, tap on the question mark on the password section. Tap on I'm not a robot for verification. Do whatever it asks you to. Select tractors and verify. Enter your last name here as shown on your profile and tap next or the tick mark right here. No. Continue. Now you'll receive a call from a phone number that can be used as a confirmation code. Tap on Call Me to receive it. Wait for a phone call. Answer it and enter the last 4 digits of the phone number you just received a call from. Yes. And it is confirmed that you own this account. Now enter a new password here. Confirm it by typing it again. And tap on the tick mark on the top right corner and your password has been recovered. Tap on the close button and you can use a new password you just created next time you log into your account. Hit login and that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. If you think this video was useful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more updates and press the bell icon for instant notification as soon as we post a new video. I will be back with more tutorial video. Stay tuned till then. Goodbye.